If you're a young professional eager to level up, this is your golden ticket to success. Shenzhen's finest are here to show you how. In the bustling heart of Shenzhen, a city known for its innovation and creativity, a group of talented individuals are making waves in their industries. From tech innovators to art designers, business entrepreneurs to health experts, these go-getters know how to succeed and live their best lives. Curious about their secrets, we gathered the top life hacks from Shenzhen's brightest minds. Here's what we found. 1. Prioritize tasks and tackle them one by one. In a city as fast-paced as Shenzhen, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks. But the key to staying on top of your game is to prioritize. Start your day by listing out your tasks and then rank them by importance. Focus on completing one task at a time. This not only helps in managing your workload, but also ensures that you are giving your best to each task. Keep distractions at bay and watch your productivity soar. In an age where notifications and social media can easily divert your attention, it's crucial to create a workspace that minimizes distractions. Turn off non-essential notifications, set specific times for checking emails, and create a clutter-free environment. This will help you stay focused and get more done in less time. 1. Incorporate wellness into your daily routine. Whether it's a morning yoga session or a few minutes of meditation, these practices can significantly boost your energy and focus. Shenzhen's professionals understand the importance of mental and physical well-being. Starting your day with a calming activity like yoga or meditation can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. It helps in reducing stress, improving concentration, and enhancing overall productivity. 1. Never stop learning. Read, take online courses, and seek mentorship. Growth is a continuous journey. In a city that thrives on innovation, staying updated with the latest trends and knowledge is crucial. Make it a habit to read books, enroll in online courses, and seek guidance from mentors. This not only broadens your knowledge base, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and development. The more you learn, the more you grow. Shenzhen's top professionals are always on the lookout for new learning opportunities. They understand that in a rapidly changing world, continuous learning is the key to staying relevant and competitive. 1. Surround yourself with creativity. Explore art galleries and collaborate with like-minded individuals. Creativity thrives on inspiration. Shenzhen is a hub of creativity, with numerous art galleries, studios, and creative spaces. Surrounding yourself with creative individuals and environments can spark new ideas and fuel your passion. Collaborate with others, share ideas, and let the collective creativity drive you towards success. Inspiration can come from anywhere, whether it's a piece of art, a conversation with a fellow creative, or a walk through a vibrant neighborhood. Keep your mind open to new ideas and perspectives. 1. Network, network, network. Attend events, meet new people, and don't be afraid to pitch your ideas. Your network is your net worth. In a city as dynamic as Shenzhen, building a strong network is essential. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and make an effort to connect with others. Networking not only opens up new opportunities, but also provides valuable insights and support. Building meaningful connections can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and even lifelong friendships. Don't hesitate to share your ideas and seek feedback. The more you engage with others, the more you learn and grow. These tips are not just theoretical. They come from the real-life successes of Shenzhen's most talented individuals. Apply them, and you can unlock your full potential. The professionals in Shenzhen have tried and tested these life hacks, and they have seen remarkable results. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you too can achieve success and live your best life. So, ready to transform your life? Hit that like button, subscribe, and start applying these life hacks today. Your best life is just a tip away. Remember, the journey to success is a continuous process. Stay committed, keep learning, and never stop striving for excellence. Shenzhen's top professionals have shared their secrets, and now it's your turn to take action. Embrace these life hacks and watch as your life transforms for the better. Your best life is just a tip away. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. So what are you waiting for? Start today and unlock your full potential. Your best life is just a tip away.